Hi, I'm Tina Lee. My module in Future Directions is Culture Hybridity. In the research and analyze part for the initial discussion on future of work, as a creator, I should view work as an essential challenge in shaping society and the environment. Engaging in cross-disciplinary dialogue and exploring diverse perspectives can help creators understanding the political aspects of the future visions, contributing to a more sustainable and equitable future. Inspired by Ramira's article in Models and Methods Symposium, Gemma Copeland's team utilized diverse methods to foster cross-disciplinary communication and build a supportive community for sharing knowledge and resources. This made me re-evaluate to instigate change from a novel perspective. In my view, Louis Dooly's examination of Internet architecture highlights that design involves more than aesthetic. Both understanding and questioning the infrastructures and power dynamics of our tools and space. The project focuses on the Internet's significance and geopolitical issues, promotes me to contemplate design choices and the responsibility of designers to acknowledge the socio-political and economic context of their work. In the exhibition trip, I realized the challenge faced by the Ainu people. The designers have established a more inclusive relationship through the exhibition design to guide the viewer to understand the roots and changes in culture. It also made me think about the role of public space as stage for public life, emphasizing the need for spaces that support group expression, dialogue, and social interaction. Many of the labors in the exhibition have prompted me to reflect on how changing times have influenced the collective life of the Ainu people. It also helped me with my next stage on culture hybridity. In branding learning, some cases I provide very deep insights on how to effectively communicate culture identity, combining storytelling techniques and employing visual elements to create impact for branding projects. This made me reflect on how to create works that embody brand values and brand's voice. For experimentation and practice, in exploring culture perspective, I think culture is a collective memory and it is a dynamic concept that continually adapts and evolves in response to societal changes. The dissemination of British art in Generation Z, digitalization have gradually become prominent. So in the group discussion for positioning the city, considering our preference, we quickly positioned Tianshui, Gansu in China. The significant site for the convergence of Neolithic culture, Three Kingdoms culture, and Buddhist culture. Through workshop practice reviews around understanding cultural diversity, creative integration, and effective communication strategies. Using the method of reorganization and capturing keywords, we establish our aims and expectation for the city brand. By employing a collage method, this process promotes us to combine diverse sources of inspiration and transform them into a cohesive and origin brand concept to express the essence of the city. We use the SWOT analyze method to uncover the city's strengths, weaknesses, and future development opportunities, providing a clearly and more objective exploration of the city's essence. Building on 4 key development keywords, our target audience includes tourists interested in the local culture, foreign visitors drawn to the internationalization, and young people within the youthful city positioning. This also defines our brand visions and slogan. From the perspective of opportunities, we formulate the next steps. How to use multimedia methods to capture the city's background story and present new visual elements to the audience. Realizing the need for a new perspective, I redefined it by drawing inspiration from Tianshui's rich cultural heritage to develop a unique brand identity. This creative process was iterative, involving adjustment and discussion with the team to refine and select the most compelling and representative solution. Considering the size, color, and visibility of the logo and typography, taking into the memory points of customer and simplifying the logo blocks. Ultimately, ensure the logo and text represent Tianshui's culture characteristic under language translation, being modern while quickly establishing an emotional connection with customers. For communication and presentation, after the showcase, we realized that the overall brand effect was not sufficiently cohesive. Lacking brand recognition, I believe we need to unify the brand's color scheme and adjust its elements to achieve our goals. In the case studies, both brands exhibit distinct brand characteristics showcasing unique brand cultures. To address this issue, we analyze the weakness in the brand's visual identity and unify the visual aspect by optimizing the logo and the elements, thus giving the city brand recognition. Clear visual enable me to understand the importance of design to a brand. In external presentations, the designer reminds us of the format issues with the brand logo. I realized that simplified logos in different mediums and applications can better capture the essence of the brand. This also prompted me to reflect on how to balance the original image of the brand with its flexibility, ensuring effective communication of the brand's message and image in various contexts. In response to this idea, the process of animating the logo made me realize the role of the brand slogan and logo iconing each other. For web design, this experience not only allowed me to practice visual design skills, but also made me think about how to reshape Tianchui's cultural characteristics towards a modern and interactive direction. In brand promotion, my team members also offered some new visual ideas, promoting me to continue learning through interdisciplinary communication. In the current learning stage, I have also received valuable suggestions from peer reviews. This course has been a new endeavor for me. Through studying and brand design, I have developed an interest in the relationship between image and typography, promoting me to get new perspective on future design. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, please ask me.